Good afternoon, class 10th. So, student of class 10, previous day we discussed about quadratic questions and how can we solve quadratic question by three method: formula method, factorization method and completing square. ओके, तो ये थ्री मेथड से सॉल्व करना है। कैसे सॉल्व करना है उसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे बाद में। पहले हम एक्सरसाइज में अटेम्प्ट करते हैं और जज करते हैं कि एक्चुअल में एक क्वाड्रेटिक क्वेश्चन है या नहीं। तो एंड एक्सरसाइज 3.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, check whether following are quadratic questions. Following are quadratic questions. In first one, x plus 1 plus 8 equal to है x plus 2 and क्या है x plus 2. First you have need to simplify it then solve. ब्रैकेट ओपन कर दिए, x square plus x plus 8. It is a plus b, a minus b, x square minus b. X square plus square cancel. X plus 8 plus 4 0. So it is a x plus 1. So in this equation, x square term is not present. If x square term is not present, so it means it is not a quadratic equation. ये quadratic equation नहीं है बेटा। अगर हाईएस्ट पावर 2 है तभी quadratic होगी, अदरवाइज quadratic इक्वेशंस के नहीं होंगे। जैसे सेकंड पार्ट में बात करते हैं, x plus 2 whole cube, x plus 2 whole cube here x plus 2 whole cube x cube minus it is a plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square equal to x cube. x cube से x cube क्या हो गया? it is a 8 6x square 2 to the 4 is a 12x minus 6x square 12x इक्वल टू क्या था? माइनस। ट्रांसपोज करेंगे प्लस 8, इसको ट्रांसपोज किया तो हमारे पास क्या हो गया? दैट इज प्लस 22। 6x स्क्वायर 12x प्लस क्या हो गया? 16। ठीक है, इट इज ए स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, दैट इज a ax square bx plus c, so it is a quadratic equation. That's clear? So students, in this way you can judge in third and fourth. आप पहले आप जज करेंगे कि quadratic equations कैसे हैं। If standard form ax square bx plus c 0, then a does not 0, b and c can be possible 0, a does not possible be 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay? So students, next we can discuss in question number second. What is the second? We'll see. In question number 6, given that solve the following by quadratic by factorization. Question is solve following quadratic question by factorization. Factorization or middle term splitting. So its first part, given 2x cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay? So we can use middle term splitting process. 3 to the 6. It is a 2x square. 3 to the 6. But the first and last term का product कैसा आया? Positive. So we have made to split the middle term. That product is 6 and addition is 5. So 2 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 5. तो हमारे पास क्या हो गया? 2x minus 2 plus 3x plus 3. So it is a 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 0. 2 plus 3 5. 2 3 is 6. So it can be split, middle term split in two parts. So it is known as middle term splitting. What is common? 2x. In bracket x minus 1. What is common? Minus 3. In bracket x minus 1. So in first bracket 2x minus 3, second x minus 1. So it is a factor, but we have need to find out its solution. So let 2x minus 3 0. So x equal to, again let x minus 1 0. So x equal to. That's clear? So students of class 10, in this process you can do its second part. Okay, you can do it second part. We discuss in third. What is given third? Third is given root of 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root of 3 equal to 0. ठीक है? अब इसकी हमें मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग करने हैं, तो देखिए कैसे करेंगे मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग. तो फर्स्ट वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो रूट ऑफ 3x स्क्वायर 7 होगा. तो रूट 3 3 7 3 is 21x square. Means we have need to split the middle term in two parts. That here product is 21x square and addition is 2. So you can write root of 3x 7 plus 3x plus 7 root of 3. So it is a root of 3x square 7x plus 3x plus 7. What is common in these two terms? We have common only x. So n bracket root of 3x plus 7. What is common? Root of 3 and 7. Root 3 से multiple में extra है. Root 3 common. 3 को root 3 से divide करेंगे क्या बचेगा बेटा? Root of 3. कैसे? 3 by root of 3. Dislike कर देंगे तो हमारे पास क्या हो गया? 3 root of 3 3 कैंसिल. तो root of 3x plus क्या हो गया? 7. तो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में क्या होगा? Root of 3x plus 7 और ये क्या हो गया? x plus root of 3 0. तो एज्यूम करेंगे लेट रूट ऑफ 3x plus 7 0. x इक्वल टू -7 by डिवाइड कर दिया. डिवाइड करेंगे -7 रूट ऑफ 3 7 रूट ऑफ 3. ये पहला 0 दूसरा लिया x plus root of 3. So x equal to -2. That's clear? So student of class 10, in this way we completed till third. Same process you can do its fourth part. Okay, we discuss in its fifth part. हम fifth part में बात करेंगे. So in this exercise we have discuss only middle term splitting method. This method beta middle term splitting. So student of class 10, then we can discuss in next process, that is a expert part. ठीक है, समझो. तो फिफ्थ पार्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फिफ्थ पार्ट subject, then its fifth part. Fifth part is given 1 by x minus 2 plus 2 by x minus 2 equal to 6 by x. Okay, then see. It is not in a form of quadratic question. So first we have need to arrange this question. First we have need to arrange this question in required quadratic question form. हम एक quadratic question के form में पहले इसको arrange करें. So first we can take as x minus 2 and x minus 2. ये x minus 2 cancel. That can be multiplied. x minus 2 x minus cancel 2x minus 3 so x minus 1 2x and 2 2s are 4. It is a x square minus 2x minus x and plus by क्या हो गया 2x plus x क्या हो गया 3x minus 5 by x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 6 by x. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो हमारे पास उधर क्या आ गया x 3x 6x square minus 3x. Thereafter it is a 3x minus 5. It is 6x square minus 3x. सभी को RHS में हम ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. 6x square minus 3x square minus 18x plus 5x and plus 12 equal to 0. इस LHS पार्ट को कंप्लीटली हमने ट्रांसपोज करके कर दिया 6 minus 3 3x square minus 18x plus 5x 18 minus 18 and plus 5 it means minus 18 plus 5 करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया minus 3 plus 1. It is standard form of quadratic equation. Thereafter we can use middle-term splitting process. 12 3s are 36. Product 36 आना चाहिए, addition क्या आना चाहिए 30. ये आ गया 3x minus 9x minus 4x plus 2. 9 plus 4 13 9 4 क्या हो गया 3x. We can take here what is common 3 in bracket x minus. We can take minus in bracket x minus 3. So first bracket में x minus 3, second में 3x minus 4. अब it is factor, so x minus 3 0. X equal to क्या आ गया 3x minus 4 0. So x equal to क्या हो गया 3. So student, in this way you can do it 6 7 8 and 9 part. 9 part you can use cross. First you can use cross multiplication process, then after you can change this form, then form. Okay, we explained its 10th part. Remember, do use. Okay, with 10 part में हम डिस्कस करेंगे बेटा. देखिए 10th part 4x square 4a square x 80 power 4 माइनस बी की पावर 4 इक्वल टू 0। ठीक है, इट्स 10th पार्ट में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। और देखिए जरा, so at 10th part what is given? First we can multiply with first and last, just 4x square 4a square, इसको क्या राइट करें? a square minus b square, a square plus b square, we can use identities a square minus b square. अब then you have according to Middleton splitting process, first you multiply first and last term, then you have need to split the Middleton into part, the product is equal to the product of first and last term, their addition is equal to the sum of Middletons. So it is a 4x. Can you have 2a square minus b square and minus 2 a square plus b square plus a square minus b square plus a square plus b square. बड़ा अगर इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करते हैं तो 2 जा 4 a square minus b square into a square plus b square, but addition सिंपलीफाई करेंगे तो माइनस b स्क्वायर से प्लस वाला कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 प्लस 2 4 a आएगा। वी कैन टेक हियर कॉमन 2x इन ब्रैकेट 2x minus a square minus b square. What is common in these two terms? We have common that is a minus a square plus b square in bracket 2x minus a square minus b square. दोनों ब्रैकेट में सेम है तो हम कॉमन क्या ले लिया 2x minus a square plus b square, सेकंड ब्रैकेट 2x minus a square plus b square. We can assume that let 2x minus a square minus b square 0, so x equal to a square minus b square. Second, 2x minus a square plus b square 0 to x equal to a square plus b square. In this way, we can complete this question. Thereafter, its 11th part was solved. In this way, student of class 10, we completed exercise 3.3. 3.3 complete हुई. In this exercise, we confirmed about middle term splitting or factorization method. And on next day or next class, we discuss another method like as perfect square method or formula method. Okay, so student of class 10, we can discuss another method of quadratic equations, solution of solving method of quadratic equations on next day or next class. Thank you so much.